You are absolutely right. No relationship is worth damaging your mental health. If you are in a relationship that is making you feel stressed, anxious, or depressed, it is important to seek help. You can talk to a therapist, counselor, or other mental health professional. They can help you to understand why you are feeling this way and develop strategies for coping with the stress of the relationship. Here are some signs that your relationship may be damaging your mental health. You feel anxious or stressed when you are around your partner. You have trouble sleeping or concentrating because of your relationship. You feel like you are walking on eggshells around your partner. You are afraid to express your true feelings to your partner. You feel like you are losing yourself in the relationship. If you are experiencing any of these signs, it is important to seek help. Your mental health is important, and you deserve to be in a relationship that makes you feel happy and healthy. Here are some tips for protecting your mental health in a relationship. Set boundaries. It is important to set boundaries with your partner so that you can protect your own time and space. This means saying no to things that you don't want to do, and not letting your partner take advantage of you. Communicate openly. It is important to be able to communicate openly with your partner about your feelings and needs. This means being honest with them about how you are feeling, even if it is difficult. Be assertive. It is important to be able to stand up for yourself in a relationship. This means being able to say no to your partner, and not letting them walk all over you. Take care of yourself. It is important to take care of yourself both physically and emotionally. This means eating healthy, exercising, getting enough sleep, and doing things that you enjoy. If you are struggling to protect your mental health in a relationship, it is important to seek help. There are many resources available to help you, including therapists, counselors, and support groups. You don't have to go through this alone.